hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated. Disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality and motivations, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself,
let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
you have to study physics. The collision of organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have, right, I mean,